Probability is the measure of how likely an event is to happen, and it's something we encounter every day. Whether it's flipping a coin, rolling dice, or predicting the weather, probability helps us quantify uncertainty. Mathematically, probability is expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 means an event is impossible, and 1 means it's certain to happen. For example, when you flip a fair coin, the probability of landing heads is 0.5, or 50%. This concept is central to various fields like statistics, science, and even decision-making in everyday life. Understanding probability allows us to make more informed choices, from choosing investments to planning events. As you dive deeper into probability, you'll encounter more complex ideas, like conditional probability and independent events, which help us understand how the likelihood of one event can affect another. Let's solve a simple probability problem to see how we can apply the concept of probability to a real-life situation. Imagine you're at a party and there are 5 red balloons, 3 blue balloons, and 2 green balloons. You want to know, what is the probability of picking a red balloon from the bunch? First, we'll calculate the total number of balloons. We have 5 red plus 3 blue plus 2 green equals 10 balloons in total. Now, we focus on the number of favorable outcomes. The favorable outcome in this case is choosing a red balloon, and there are 5 red balloons. To find the probability of picking a red balloon, we use the formula probability, P, equals number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. In our case, that's P, red balloon, equals 5 over 10, which simplifies to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So, the probability of picking a red balloon is 0.5 or 50%. This means that if you pick a balloon at random, you have a 50% chance of picking a red balloon. This is a simple example of how probability works in real-life situations. You can apply the same method to other scenarios like rolling dice, drawing cards from a deck, or even predicting the weather. The key is identifying the total number of possible outcomes and the number of favorable ones, then dividing them to find the probability. These are few of the practice sums. Kindly solve and comment down the answers below. Thanks for joining. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more such topics.